Is there for honest poverty that hangs his head and all that? The coward slave, we pass him by, we dare be paid for all that. For all that and all that, our toils obscure and all that, the rank is but the guinea stamp, the man's the gowd for all that. What though on hamely fare we dine, we're hod and grey and all that, gie fools their skulls and knaves their wine, a man's a man for all that. The all that and all that, their tinsel show and all that. The honest man, though we're sae poor, is king o' men for all that. Ye see on Barky Cada, Lord, wha struts and stares and all that. Though hundreds worship at his word, he's but a coof for all that. For all that and all that, his ribbon star and all that, the man o' independent mind, he looks and laughs at all that. A prince can mak a belted knight, a marquis duke and all that, but an honest man's aboon his might, get faith he manna for that. For all that and all that, their dignities and all that, the pith o' sense and pride o' worth are higher rank than all that. Then let us pray that come it may, as come it will for all that, that sense and worth o'er all the earth shall bear the gree and all that. For all that and all that, it's coming yet for all that, that man to man the world o'er shall brothers be for all that.